Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get QR code in Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To get QR code in Trust Wallet, firstly open your Trust Wallet application. The home page of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. On the top, tap on Receive option. To get QR code in Trust Wallet, choose any of the token you want to. On the next page, you can see the QR code of the token you want. You can either copy, set amount or share the QR code as well. This is how you can get QR code in Trust Wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.